Arcadia, walk to me. Turn around. Come here, honey. Okay, I know you want to walk to Tristan. Okay, let's stand up. Don't give up.
Don't give up and walk close to me. Wow, she's super cool.
Go on the other side of the room, Tristan. Have her walk to you.
Walk to me.
Stand up, Arcadia.
Why in the world?
Arcadia, stand up. Stand up. Tristan, when you're doing that, she doesn't want to stand up. She just wants to play with you. Stand up for her, Tristan, and then she'll stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up, big girl. Hi.
This was supposed to be a video of her walking, but it's really a video of her crawling very fast. Pick her up and bring her back here, boy.
Careful.
All right. Arcadia, stand up.
Oh.
Whoa.